Imagine in your organization that one person who spends an inordinate amount of time considering thousands of variables to write a schedule for your unit. Maybe a staff or crew schedule, maybe an operational asset schedule. Their goal is to manually enter or import detail after detail, considering mission requirements and individual strengths or limitations to develop an optimal schedule. They do this every time you need a new schedule.
They're probably using an Excel spreadsheet or another form of legacy scheduling system that is typed piece by piece into a computer program or app. It probably lacks meaningful automation, it's highly user-intensive and error-prone, and it routinely delivers suboptimal results that cost your organization time, money, and mission risk, whether you realize it or not.
Perhaps most importantly, there's a significant human toll related to the impacts of this type of system. Legacy systems can take 1 to 2 FTEs or more to manage per schedule period at a direct cost of tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. Indirectly, your employees get burned out and leave, with shortages propagating more shortages and increased stress on remaining employees. In some industries, the follow-on effects are corrosive and devastating.
Our company, Duality Systems, exists to eliminate this problem. I'm Laurel Sharamonte, CEO and CNO.
And I'm Cindy Brothers, Duality CBO. We're excited to share with you today our flagship product, Balance Scheduler.
At Duality, we create AI-optimized and automated scheduling solutions for personnel, operations, and logistics in complex organizations so that you can save time and resources while reducing risk. By decreasing the amount of time an organization requires to create a schedule by 99%, we get staff back to doing what they are passionate about, instead of staring at a legacy scheduling system for hours on end.
In Balance Scheduler, users see a massive decrease in the amount of time it takes to create and deploy an optimal schedule, the best of thousands of iterations considered, free of human error. One Air Force Flying Squadron customer of ours decreased their schedule build time from 160 hours per week to 15 minutes, error-free.
Plus, we provide on-the-fly rescheduling, as well as analytics to enable better visualization of your organizational capabilities and optimal adaptation in the face of complex shifting environments. Balance Scheduler creates conditions for more informed decisions within larger decision windows to support strategic planning and mitigate risk.
Balance Scheduler can be adapted and applied to any situation where the variables can be labeled or categorized and prioritized, from human applications such as training, flight operations, or healthcare provider scheduling, to logistics optimization, radar operations, and satellite tracking.
As a dual-use technology company, active in both government and healthcare industries, we're always encountering new customer use cases where we can deliver return on investment incredibly fast. In addition to eliminating human error and decreasing time to schedule, our solution was preferred 3 times more than legacy schedules. Automating schedules also removed perceived bias that typically grows from human-controlled processes.
Balance Scheduler is a software as a service hosted in AWS and AWS GovCloud to enable safe and rapid scaling. We've also developed Android and iOS applications for ease of use. Our solution can also be containerized for on-premises installation. We offer 2 pricing models, either per user subscriptions or enterprise-level volume pricing.
The team at Duality Systems is uniquely suited to challenge the status quo of scheduling in healthcare and in government. As a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business, over 80% of our employees are veterans familiar with DoD operations.
We've had the opportunity to seek funding through the O'Neill Group's One Fund, and we've been chosen to participate in accelerators and incubators such as Exponential Impact's Amplify program, Dream It Ventures 2022 cohort, and the Catalyst Campus Accelerator for AI, ML applications in space and maritime.
We've also won several SBIR awards from the Air Force for development and adaptation of our solution to DoD operational needs, while also building a strong sales pipeline in our health tech vertical, onboarding both traditional and telemedicine systems this past year. We plan to move into satellite and space, as well as naval mission scheduling next.
So, if you're a complex organization with a hard scheduling problem, come talk to us at Duality Systems. We can automate it and optimize it no matter the unique variables your organization requires. We can reduce the mission risk you're currently taking by continuing to use suboptimal legacy systems. Let the computers do what they do best so that your people can do what they do best.
Really, it can be this good.